Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. My today's color theme is beige and brown. Yes, I choose two colors for my today's color theme nail art because I think these two colors looks beautiful in together. And I'm going to do henna or mehendi inspired nail art today. So without any delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. So as a base polish, I have applied 2 coats of a beige polish on my index and middle fingernail, and on top of beige polish, I am applying 1 coat of a glitter topper. Now I'm going to stamp henna pattern on top of beige polish, and for stamping tools I am using Born Pretty L008 stamping plate, and as a stamping polish I mixed 2 types of brown in together because I couldn't find any nail polish which actually matched with mehendi colors. On my ring and pinky fingernail, I am applying 2 coats of a chocolatey brown nail polish as a base polish. Now on my ring fingernail, I have stamped a single henna pattern with a peachy beige nail polish because I really like that pattern. And here I am finishing my mani with a glossy top coat to seal the design and add a beautiful shine. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my work, then please share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.